okay. I always laugh at myself when I try on blonde hair because I always feel like I look green. But this is another one of our beautiful units. Now this one is ashy, and it is a skin top. See? But it's an ashy unit. This is a very nice piece. Now this is the average length and look that my clients come in here and get. This is what I see most. This length, this type of style, this is what we do most of the time. Even when we do our micro lines, when we do our long hair bonding, this is the average look and length people go for. This is an ashy piece, a medium cap type of piece. Now this is a nice piece for somebody who wants to wear a daily wear unit, but they're a little afraid of the lace. Everybody doesn't like lace. Some people love lace, some people love skin. There's a difference. There's a difference because some people like the flatness of the lace and some people like the volume that skin can give you. But it depends. Each person has their own preference, but this is one of our blonde ashy skin top units. Like I said, skin tops offer volume and longevity. So skin tops will last longer than lace. That's just a fact. Because you don't have to deal with the lace, the fragility of the lace, because there is no lace. You can get any color customization that you want, but you can also add a band. And now let me show you what it looks like with the band. The detachable band. I know you're thinking, why would I do that when there are people who want the best of both worlds and they want to be able to remove the band and add the band as they see fit. Now you see the band, again, still giving you the benefit of having volume if you want it, and a hairline, more of a push back look with your hairline, and then you can do it both ways. Now some people with the silk, sometimes they want to pull a little bit of hair on the front. Either way is fine. And again, you can have any color you want. It's not always included. Sometimes people want something super fancy, but anyway, this one is included with this unit. But it is a cute option, and it's not hot. It's not super a hot piece. It feels really good. So this is a skin top with the removable band. Now this is a beautiful piece. Now this one is a skin top with a lace front. Skin, and has a little bit of lace in the front just for the transition. So it's very much like the last one I posted, but just with a little bit of lace in the front just for transition purposes. But again, like I said, it can go back off your face. You can have volume, but also you can also have it super flat if you want, but you can also have volume. You can have the best of both worlds, like I said. So some people really don't want to wear lace because they feel like you can see the grids. They feel like they, and lace is fragile. I like lace, but a lot of people don't. Lace is fragile, and yeah, but these types with these skin tops and these lace fronts, they will last you. They will last you because you don't have to deal with the fragility of lace, like I said. But again, skin top lace front. Now this is a mesh. I know, I look like a newscaster. And it is a traditional hair system, and it has a comfort cap. There are no hooks or any irritating materials underneath the cap. It's a comfort cap. It's like a soft hug. It's for anybody dealing with any type of scalp sensitivities due to any scalp conditions, or maybe if you're going through any type of medical treatment that causes you to have scalp sensitivities. It is very soft, very light, perfect hair system for somebody. This is a short length, of course, and again, like I said, you come in different colors. One of the biggest questions I get is, can you part it? Now, when you have any type of parting space, whether it be mono, lace, skin, poly, anything, as long as you have that area there that has no wefts or no material underneath, you can part it. You can change the part, different things like that. So this one has more. All of this area here is partable, and it extends all the way back here where you can part and change the part. So yes, this is a traditional hair system. But I just want to show you a full coverage skin hair system. This is an example of a low density, full coverage skin hair system. So it's a skin all over. Now even in the middle, but it's a soft cushioning in the middle, but it also has ventilation on the top, so it won't be too hot. They have ventilation all throughout the top, but it is a full coverage skin hair system. Perfect for somebody who has alopecia totalis, alopecia universalis, or somebody who lost their hair due to cancer treatments. So this is an example of a full coverage skin hair system.